In this video, we'll walk you through how to clear your call history on an Android device. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Clearing your call history can be useful if someone else will be using your phone and you don't want them to see who you've called. Let's dive into the steps. Start by opening the phone app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the phone icon to launch the app. Once you're inside, select the Recents tab to view your call log. To delete a single call, just tap and hold on the entry you want to remove, and then tap Delete at the bottom of the screen. If you want to delete multiple calls, tap on each one to select them, and then tap Delete at the bottom. To delete your entire call history, tap the All button at the top left. This will select all the calls in your history. After that, just tap Delete All at the bottom and confirm to delete everything. In this example, I'll just delete a single call, so I'll press Delete and confirm it's gone. And that's all there is to it. You can follow the same steps to delete all or just a few calls from your history.